Are you a small business owner and your finances feel chaotic, like you're making money, but you're not totally sure where it's going? This video is for you because I've been there and I've worked for small businesses where this led to their downfall. It's easy to have plenty of revenue coming in, but things still feel messy. Things are chaotic. You don't know if you can pay yourself or pay your bills next month. And let's be honest, it's the thing that keeps you awake at 2 a.m. wondering if you've actually made a profit in your business or if you're just moving the numbers around to stay afloat another month. So today I'm walking you through my full small business banking and bookkeeping setup, the exact system I use for my business, and why this setup has finally made everything feel calm and led my business to be more profitable. Here's something I don't hear small business owners talk about enough: the fact that you can be profitable and still feel financially disorganized. You can have great revenue coming in and still feel totally broke. Money will hit your account, your bills will get paid, clients will pay invoices, but you're staring at your bank balance thinking, is this all available to me? Have I set aside enough money for taxes? Did that invoice from 2 months ago actually get paid? I need to follow up on that. Am I behind again? That constant uncertainty you feel around your business finances is not really a money problem, it's a systems problem. Even as a more creative business owner, I knew that once I fixed the financial systems in my business, the stress would immediately drop from there. So for me, the first thing I fixed was my business banking structure. For me, I use Relay as my business banking platform because I can separate my money into multiple checking accounts and implement the profit first method. So instead of one big lump sum, I have accounts for profit, owner's pay, taxes, operating expenses, and savings accounts as well. When revenue comes into the business, I already know what percentage goes where based on the automation rules that I set up in my account. I'm not guessing or doing mental math every single time money comes in. That system alone has made things feel more stable because I finally knew I had enough money for everything my business needed. I could see at a glance that money was in these accounts. The automation part and the structure at Relay solved the very first problem for me, but structure at the banking level still doesn't solve all of your business finances, especially the problem of messy books. And that is where the right accounting tool comes in. Personally, I used to spend hours every month just trying to figure out if I actually got paid for certain invoices, and honestly, I hated every second of it. That part of my business was not fun when I first started as a freelancer. I want to do the work that I love, not get bogged down in my books. That's why I've officially switched my business to Xero, and I'm so excited to be partnering with them to share this video with you today. Xero is a cloud-based accounting platform that helps small businesses like mine stay on top of everything, from sending out professional invoices to tracking bills to reconciling your books. Because I use Relay for my business banking and now Xero for my accounting, the two systems talk to each other perfectly. Xero automates all of the boring parts of bookkeeping so I can actually focus on the creative parts of my business instead of doing data entry. If you have been looking for a sign to upgrade your systems, this is it. Right now, you can get 90% off for 6 months using the link below. Seriously, your future self will thank you for the automation that Xero will give you. But let's actually take a second to explain why this matters and why you need both, especially for businesses like service providers. Before, my bookkeeping would feel like a very separate chore that I would ignore until the stress and the panic forced me to tackle it, usually right before tax season started. Now, my banking feed goes into Xero, the transactions sync automatically, and reconciliation is really straightforward and it's not a chore. This is huge personally for me and my business, and I can double check my invoices have been paid, my reporting's caught up, and all of this is done before I meet with my CPA to file my taxes. To be honest, bookkeeping is never going to be my favorite thing, and I am not going to be a check my books every Friday type of person. The system that works best for me is a monthly deep clean of my books, and I needed a system and a software that supports that style. Because the most boring parts are automated, I'm able to log in once a month and actually keep up with it, which has been huge. Finding the right accounting tool has helped me stop avoiding this task, and the next layer for me and my business finances system was payroll. This was huge because I recently switched to an S Corp, which means I now pay myself a salary from my business instead of using owner's draws. I love the stability of this, and it will be really helpful for me when I need financing for future rental properties, but I also now have to run payroll properly. After looking through several options, I did decide to run payroll through Gusto, and that's been a great decision. That shift alone has changed how I view my business, and now that I'm running payroll, I get some really great benefits like that structured paycheck check, taxes withheld properly instead of doing it all at the end of the year, 401k contributions, and clean reporting for my taxes. Once you put yourself on payroll in your business, you have more structure and it feels much more professional. It also looks more professional to the outside world when you do things like go to apply for loans. This is also the point when a business becomes scalable because you can now bring on employees and have the structure in place to do so and to grow. So those are the tools I use for my banking, bookkeeping, and payroll in my business, but there is one underrated piece left in my system that manages my business finances. The last piece is not a tool, it's not an app, but it is a partner in my business. It's my CPA. I do not use a random tax preparer or an online service. Instead, I chose a local, small business focused CPA who understands both creators, small businesses, service providers, and real estate. So everything I do is kind of something that she has dived deep into. I am not an accountant and I will never become one. I don't want to be diving deep into yearly tax changes that could affect my business every single year. My CPA handles all of that and she helps me with the strategy for tax savings so that I can actually focus on revenue and growth in my business. My CPA is the person I'm calling when I'm making a big investment, if I have questions about whether or not it's a good idea, or when I'm confused about a new tax law that has come into play. She helped me switch to an S Corp and she's advised me on how to save so much per year on taxes. Having experts in your corner like a CPA, like a tax attorney, can give you the confidence you need to actually take risk and make big decisions in your business. This is underrated and something that is worth paying for. So here's what happened when I put all of these pieces together inside of my business. I started feeling way more confident about my cash flow and I started paying myself consistently and building up profit cushions. Having the right tools that help automate a lot of the tedious, boring tasks really helped me clean up my business finances so that now I know exactly where I stand every single month in my business with my revenue, my expenses, my profit, my tax exposure, and my payroll costs. And honestly, this clarity into my numbers did not really take that much work on my part. It really just involved finding the right tools and systems with those tools that worked for my very busy brain to organize the financial chaos. If you are a small business owner, a creator, a service provider, or you're running rental properties and you feel like your finances are good enough, you're bringing in revenue, but you don't feel organized, this is your sign to fix the back-end systems. Clean systems with the right tools for your business finances can make you so much more profitable and make your life way less stressful. Because personally for me, the goal is not just to make money in my business, is to actually build a business that feels stable, structured, and provides the successful life that I've always dreamed of. Your future self is going to be so much calmer and happier because of that work you're doing today. Thanks for watching and definitely check out this video on Xero next.